guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is just full hair care routine, so stay tuned. Yes, this is my hair. Oh my gosh, don't judge. But anyways, this is my hair after taking out all the crochet locks and taking out those small behind braids. Oh my god, my wrist was cramping up, so it took me 2 days to take those things out. Never again will I do that. Anyways, that's beside the point. So if you're familiar with my channel, or if you're not familiar with my channel, every time I do a protective style, I always do a full hair care routine on my hair. I mean, I do hair care routines on my hair without protective styles, but I especially do a full and basically like pay attention to my hair after a protective style because it needs all of the oils and treatments that it needs. Because as you can see, there's so much build up product in this thing. And I look like a freaking sheep. My hair looks super crazy. So I am doing a full hair care routine on my hair, and I got this, what I'm going to be putting in my hair. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a hydration treatment. I'm going to have to take it out the box. So, I turn off the lighting. So, it's like a hydration treatment. So, once I take it out the box, I'll show you how it looks. But it's basically a hydration treatment. It's a 2-in-1 type thing. It's a steamer for your face and steamer for your hair. So I definitely want to use that on my hair. And hydration is so good for your hair, especially when you want your deep conditioner, or if you're doing a hot oil treatment and you want that to really penetrate to your scalp. That is the perfect steamer to use on your hair. So I will be back. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm not going to show that on camera because that's just too much. I'm going to wash my hair and then I will be back. So stay tuned. And if you keep watching, you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So since my lighting was funky, guys, I just wanted to show you a little snippet of how everything looks, especially the items that comes with the 2-in-1 facial hair and steamer. And of course, it comes with directions, so it's very simple. And I also wanted to give you guys a good idea of how it looks, especially if you're also thinking about getting this. My boyfriend purchased this for me, so I have to go back on Amazon and see how much it was, and I'll put it in the description below if you're thinking about getting it. But I think this is very beneficial to those that have dry hair like me, especially that hasn't been doing full hair care routines and slacking on the hair. Is very beneficial. It adds moisture to your hair and encourage blood flow to circulate, promoting hair growth. The steam lifts the hair cuticles, allowing your treatments to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, helping to heal damaged hair, reducing frizzy hair, and I got all of the above. So I'm excited to see these results, and I'm actually excited to actually have my own personal steamer for myself, because especially if I'm slacking on my hair, this is definitely beneficial for me and getting a good full hair care treatment. So I just finished washing my hair, guys, and as you can see, my hair looks a little dry, so of course this steamer is well needed. So while this is warming up, I'm going to put in my mask, and I like to stick to all products that I know that works for my hair. I do not like to switch up. Sorry. So you may have seen this in my video before. So this is the mask that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to put in a little bit of oil. So sat under the steamer for about 30 minutes or so, and as you can see, I'm taking out the Bantu knots. And when I was under the steamer, it felt so good, and now my hair feels super soft. So this is definitely what I needed to be a part of my full hair care routine. So I'm gonna start using the steamer maybe twice a month, which is definitely will be helpful with reducing frizz and dry hair. Okay guys, so this is the final results after steaming my hair. As you saw, I put the deep conditioner in, and then I sat under that steamer for about 30 minutes, and my hair feels really good. It looks a little dry still, but it's not as dry as it would have been if I did not use that steamer. And what the steamer does is help to penetrate that deep conditioner in my hair to get the best treatment. So as you can see, each strand looks amazing. It looks really good. I mean, it's still a little dry because I put that little rag on, but it looks good. It looks good. I definitely will start using that again because I do need more of a full hair care routine. I've been slacking on my hair, so that is definitely a step up and a progress to getting my hair back. So yeah, I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you.